Hi, I am Karen from Karen Clark Creations, an artsy introvert. In this video, I'll be working on Friends Season 1, Episode 23, the one with the birth. This is the day that Ben is born. I really loved when Ross, Phoebe, and Susan were locked in the janitor's closet and Phoebe puts on the coveralls with the Ben name badge. So here is hospital worker Ben's name badge, as this is the conversation with Phoebe when Phoebe inspired them to name the baby Ben. There were no other ideas for this one. It was always just going to be the Ben name badge, and I just thought it was super sweet, and it was going to be a really simple painting. So I painted the coveralls the same color that it is in the episode, a very deep green. The first layer I had Diopside Genuine and Payne's Gray mixed together, and it was kind of dull when it dried. So I decided to go over with another layer, a glaze of Diopside Genuine, to brighten it up, and that was just what it needed. I'm also adding in a pocket underneath the name badge, and I kind of wish I had made it, maybe made the rectangle a little bit bigger, so the so the pocket could have been a bit more of a presence and a little bit more obvious of what it was. You know, right now I'm not really sure if it plays off, but you'll have to let me know if you get it. I just don't know. The colors I'm using for the red are Quin Magenta and Quin Red mixed together. I tested a couple other colors and they looked a little bit too much like blood, and I wanted something a little more pinky purpley. The fine line here, I was surprised that I got it to be so fine. I thought for sure it was going to be one of those things where you start and you make a mistake and you have to make it bigger and bigger and bigger, but I didn't. I got it. I'm pretty proud of that. So I'm going to add the red into the Ben, and then at some point you're going to see me pull out some gouache and add some details to make it look like stitching. And I really like that little tiny bit of detail that really makes it pop out. Here comes the addition of the pocket. I'm going to put it in like a shadow, and then I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight to show the very tippy edge of the fabric. Here is the addition of the highlights on the stitching, and I just love the effect that I get here. It just really makes it look like it has been created with a canvas and thread. Here I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow underneath the badge, so it really looks like it's popping out from that fabric. And let me know, do you think that looks like a pocket? Maybe the little dipped down portion, maybe it could have been a little bit wider. And I thought about adding a pen after the fact, but I didn't want to mess up what I already did. So this is it. I'm now going to enter the little journaling portion of this where I say which episode it is, and I write the quote. Hi, I'm Ben. I'm hospital worker Ben. And I just think that adds a cute touch to my sketchbook, having those little quotes in there. So this is it. This was season 1, episode 23. Let me know in the comments what you think about this episode of Friends and my painting. Give me a like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications of newly uploaded videos because the next episode will be out soon.